A very good evening to all the third year EC students. Welcome back to Computer Networks Lab. Today I am going to explain how to download and install Turbo C and C++. Okay, so you just type Studyopedia in Google search bar. Type Studyopedia. Okay, so click on this website. Okay, so here go to the tutorials. So in the tutorials, you can see the programming section. So C, okay. So C program. Okay, so in here, your new window comes. Here you can see setup environment for C. Okay, so click on this. So now a window comes and here you can see download Turbo C and C++. Okay, so download this. The file size is 7 MB. It takes some time to download. Is now it is completed. Now let me just go to that location and let me copy this folder. Okay, then go to the C drive. So in C drive, so create a new folder, TC. Okay, and you paste it. So now you need to unzip this. So click on extract, right click, then do extract here. Okay, so now you can see this is the folder. So you can see setup.exe. So this is the executable file. You just click on this. So now the installation begins. The installation of Turbo C, C++ has be, is is started. It takes some time for installing. Okay, so click on next. Okay, so here it will be asking for acceptance. Okay, you just read through. You just go through it, and then after reading, click on this accept the terms and click on next. So now it is showing where it is going to save in C drive turbo C3, like that. There will be a folder, it will be created. Okay, in that it is going to install. You will be having your software. Now install. See students, parallelly you can also follow the same procedures and try to complete by today itself. Okay, today will be the last lab for you. So I'm requesting all the students to do it along with me parallelly, so that after completing this installation, okay, we can work out the two experiments. With that, your computer networks lab will be completed. So now, yes, you just click on yes. Okay, so here it is asking launch the program, or if you don't want, you just no need to select this launch the program, and you just click on finish. So now we can see in our C drive. So in the C drive, let me just check. So you have the Turbo C3. So this is your bin folder, right? Turbo C3, this is your bin folder. So here only whatever program we are typing, it will be saved here. Let me just go to my desktop. So now you can see a shortcut is created. So click on this shortcut Turbo C++. Okay, it is taking some time to open. Yes. Okay, it got thrice. Okay. So now a new window it is coming in that you can either go to the new project, you can select new project or new source file. Okay, but now let me just go with start Turbo C++. So now you can see that the programming section is visible. Okay. Now, so here you can see you have a compile. Okay. You can do the compilation first, then after that you can run. For doing compilation, you can press Alt F9 to run your program. If the after compilation, if no errors, then you can go for run. So run, you can press Control F9. Okay, in your keypad. Let me just type a sample program. Okay. So now here you can see this is the programming section you can view. Okay. So now I'm going to type my program. Okay, let me just try a sample code. First you have to call the header files. So you know that these are all the built-in function, whatever which you're going to use like a printf. Okay, so you have to call the header files first. Okay, so hash include stdio.h standard input output. Okay, then so second thing after header files you have the main function. So void main. So void main. So here open curly bracket. So here the function starts and here ends. So here we are going to type. So what is that it has to do? I'm going to type my task, what it has to perform. So you will be having a setup statement. Okay, just we'll be having a sample code as of now. Okay, I'm just going to use a printf. So which is a inbuilt function. You can use it in C. Okay, inside the double quotes, whatever I'm mentioning, it will be displayed in the command in the window. So in the command prompt window, it will be displayed. So let me just type work hard to get what you like, otherwise you will be forced to like what you get. Okay, so to display I have to display something I have to use get ch function, get ch off. Now let me just compile my code. So by pressing Alt F9 you can do compile. So now it is showing one error. We just see what is that error. is saved as .cpp. Actually, for C++, you have to save it as .cpp. Now, let me just save this as save as, then select the location it is project. Okay, because in that only we have our bin. So select that location. Then, so my first program. Okay, .c. I'm going to save it. Okay. Now let me just compile this code and so 0 errors, and let me just run. Okay, so here you can see it is like in command prompt window. So we have work hard to get what you like, otherwise you'll be forced to like what you get, right? So it is displaying. Okay, so this is how so to come out of that you have to press control enter, and to come out of the C and to go to your desktop. Okay, so please remember you have to use control sorry alt enter, sorry guys, alt enter. Okay, so now you can go to your desktop, right? Again, to maximize you have to use alt enter. Okay. Okay,